In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create your own starter pack doll box photo from ChatGPT in just a few simple steps. This is a fun and creative trend that lets you turn your photo into a realistic toy-style packaging image with accessories like a laptop, coffee, and headphones. If you enjoy easy AI tutorials like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. All right, let's get started. First, open ChatGPT on your browser or in the app. Once it loads, look for the plus button next to the message box. This is where you can upload your own image, so ChatGPT can use your photo as the base for the design. Click the plus button, then choose the image you want to upload from your device. Make sure it's a clear photo of yourself, so the final result looks better and more detailed. After the image is uploaded, go to the text box and type this prompt exactly. Create a starter pack doll box image of me. Include accessories like laptop, coffee, headphones, clean aesthetic packaging, realistic toy style. This prompt tells ChatGPT to turn your photo into a polished doll box concept with a clean, modern look and the extra accessories that make it feel like a real starter pack collectible. Once you've typed the prompt, hit enter and let ChatGPT generate the image. Depending on the tool and settings, it may take a short moment to create your result, so just wait for it to finish. When the image appears, review it and see if it matches the style you wanted. If you want, you can refine the prompt and try again with different accessories, colors, or packaging styles until you get the perfect version. And that's it. You've now learned how to create your starter pack doll box photo from ChatGPT using a simple upload and prompt. This is a great way to make a unique profile image, social media post, or just have fun with the trend. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next AI tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.